With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. Discuss any 2 use cases of implementing Data Marts in organizations, which includes their dimensional design, ETL, data quality, security aspects, dashboards, data mining techniques, etc. What are the main objectives or classification? Give the categorization of classification approaches. Also, explain how to evaluate the clustering models. Right, explain the basic agglomerative hierarchical clustering algorithm. If you need the answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is given below.